Hello Sameers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create a database, collection and a document in MongoDB shell. Without any further ado, let us start the video. For now guys, let us connect this string. So I want to connect the localhost. So if I see the localhost is connected, if I add show DBS, so all the DBs which are there will be shown. Now, if I want to create a DB in Mongo shell, I'll be using the command. Let me put in the top. So I'll put use Azhar Techno coder. So if I write use Azhar Techno coder, it will be creating a DB called Azhar Techno coder. So if I add show DBS, so Azhar Techno coder will not be shown because we don't have any collection there, right? So I will add a collection. I'll write db dot collection name. I'll add Azhar data dot insert one. So I'll be putting the insert one. Let me put it the middle. Let me put like this. It will be visible on the screen. So I have to write this one, open bracket, close bracket, and like this. Normally, if you are familiar with a JSON, you will be understanding that this is a proper JSON we are adding, but this is not JSON. This is BSON, BSON here. So here I'll be adding the key value pair. You already know, right? So I'll write. I have a playlist called JavaScript. In that playlist, I have 84 videos. So I'll be adding 84 videos here. And I'll be adding one more playlist. So I'll adding Puppeteer, which is having the videos of 24. So I'll be adding 24, and this is channel active. So I'll write active equal to true. So I can insert a string. I can insert a boolean value also. So if I click on enter, so DB already exists with different case, already have as a Techno coder. Okay, let's use another DB, right? So I can use my another channel. So I'll write Russell talk by Azhar. So I'm using this DB for now. So if I click on that, it says it is already switched. You can see here Russell talk by Azhar. Now switched. So I'll be adding this one here. If I add, so it is acknowledged equal true. So insert ID we got. Now what? Now we can see what are the DBs present, right? So now if I put show DBS, so it shows as a DB is already added. So if I want to see, okay, what are the collections? I'll be writing show collections. So I have Azhar data as the collection. So how do you find a collection? So instead of adding Azhar data, I can just right click, find. See, this is the document we have added. Now, if I just like quit, QIT, it quits. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.